Hello there and welcome back to DaveTech. In this video, I'll show you how to set the best picture settings on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So we're going to head over to Quick Settings and then All Settings. From here, we'll be moving down until we find Display and Sound. So click on that, and under the display section, you could have largest, large, or the default. I'm choosing the default, but if your eyesight demands a bigger text size, you could definitely go with large or largest. And what you see as sample text to the right is a sample of how it's going to look. So I'm leaving mine at default. I think that is preferable for my eyesight. This will be by default selected the color format to YCB. If this is not the case, select it. This is the best color format you can have. So YCB CR, the 4208 bit. Now I want you to turn this off if it's on. So matching content dynamic range is a nice feature to have, but then it's going to produce a black screen during a switch. So when switching from one level of dynamic range to the next, depending on as you switch from one piece of content to the next, this is significantly going to disturb the viewing experience. You will distort it by showing you a black screen before switching. For a more seamless experience, turn this off. Come to match content frame rate and turn it to seamless only. This will allow you to have a smooth viewing experience with no interruptions. So your content will be displayed, and if your connected display does not support seamless refresh rate transition, this option actually have no effect unless you change the display and get a display that supports it. So the resolution, I'm setting to automatic. In case you have a specific display, maybe you have a screen that's 1080p and it has the potential to do 60 Hz per second, and you're also going to be consuming content that's 1080p at 60 Hz per second, and you're sure of that, this is going to be ideal. So you could come and click the specific option of 1080p 60 Hz. So standard dynamic range will be activated. So on some TVs you may need to turn on enhanced HDMI to enable HDR formats. So you have to just check your TV settings to figure that out, or check the display settings of wherever you're putting the Chromecast to figure that out. But if you have a specific idea, you could put that on a specific resolution and a specific refresh rate, just like I was explaining about the 1080p 60 Hz. But now if you do not, if you're going to be watching content on various resolutions, sometimes 4K, sometimes 720, sometimes 1080p, and that's how most of us use the Chromecast. So I prefer you leave it at automatic, 59.94 Hz refresh rate. And under advanced display settings, I would like you to put system preferred conversion for the preferred dynamic range. That takes you off the selection and it allows the TV to do the automatic work. So at the same time, I'm putting automatic, I'm choosing automatic as the format selection. So we use the device supported formats. So all of this will ensure HDR is smooth, and all of those settings are taken care of by the Chromecast system. Now these are the best settings I have for Chromecast. If you found that useful, subscribe to the channel, and I hope you have a good display.